Come with me to my last residency of my graduate career or path or whatever you'd like to call it. This year it is held in Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm super excited. It was only a 2.5-hour plane ride from LaGuardia to SDF, Kentucky. Look at this view. Absolutely breathtaking. But after touching down, I hopped into the rental, went to my hotel, which was the Galt House in Louisville. Super nice room, loved the service, loved everything. My view was actually pretty cute with the bridge and the water. Hold your horses though on the bed, had me dead. Super dead. Anyways, the bathroom was gorgeous. And they actually had a couple restaurants on premise, one of which you'll see me go to later, which is called Swizzle. It's on the 25th floor of the Galt House, and it's a super nice concept. It turns around on a platform so everyone can experience the sunset, the views, the ambiance, and it was very nice, actually. This is me doing a fit check as if I didn't do one in the airport earlier, but cool. And this is that bathroom I was talking to you about. But the area was very nice. There was also this spot outside of the hotel, which you could see the Belle Louisville. Look at her. Yes, so cute. I didn't get a picture though. But since I was early, I was able to go to this park that has swinging benches. You can rent like those scooters to drive around in. And I just kind of calmed my calm on before class because I was a little nervous and anxious. Stocked up the fridge with snacks and bevs because we're not going to waste unnecessary money unless we're ordering out, which is what I did. I got this spot called Steak and Shake. It was okay, but I had to get ready for class, so slay. I was honestly super nervous, but ended the day after 2 hours. This was the sunset I was blessed with after class, going to the restaurant, which was on the 25th floor, as I said. Amazing drinks, great ambiance, the view is stunning, the food was good, and I'm just feeling super blessed to be here experiencing this city for my last residency. So cheers to the next 4 to 5 days.